Hey guys, it's Regular Dane, so check it out. Have the brand new AirPods Pro 3rd generation. I'm here with my brother. We are in New York City having a little bit of fun, and we picked these up at the Apple store, and these are very hard to find because there's only about 10 coming in at a time and they're selling out right away. So my bro is gonna step in and tell us a little bit about these, but we wanted to unbox these and check them out. You can already see that they are a little bit shorter than the previous versions. AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. What makes these better?
They have a much deeper body, or thicker body. From what I understand, the sound is supposed to be significantly better. Excited to try them out. Rubber seal supposedly keeps them in your ear. You can run, move your head, shake around, not have as much of a problem. They're supposed to be sweat proof as well.
And they sound better too. They sound better than
significantly better. Yeah,
previous versions. But
and the other reason I had the old ones, but was not a fan because you couldn't adjust anything without your phone.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
What I understand on these is you can do skip songs and adjust volume and do whatever you need to. So looking forward to checking it out.
Same kind of stuff that comes with all Apple gear. And then we get the box right here. Self-charging case. It's pretty much the same as the last version, right?
Correct. Yep. Acts as a storage case, and it also does a quick charge. If you run out, I think it'll charge it for 2 or 3 different cycles.
USB-C charge, right?
Yeah, just like all of the other iPhone products. So you don't have to get a new wire.
So right away you can already see totally different design, and it's squishy and it'll stay in your ear. But already you can see they're a lot shorter. But we want to check out, are there buttons on here then? Is that how you're able to change stuff, or is it like touch base?
I think it's touch base.
So here's a black, looks like maybe that's where a sensor would be.
That's right.
So here's a charging case, similar to the last one. What else comes in the box? It also comes with extra tips right here for the ears. What's in there is the medium size, the small, probably a medium, and then the large that is right off here. Looks like they'll swap out pretty easy. So you also get this cord inside, plugging in right here to the case.
Press play to pause. There's a double press to skip forward, triple press to skip backward. That was a huge piece that was missing on the old pods. There's a press and hold to switch between noise canceling. One of the main differences is these have noise canceling versus the old generation.
Charge wirelessly, but these, weren't you saying something about the last generation, if you take an earpiece out, then the music stops?
That's right, I want to check that out if it does the same thing. It was kind of annoying to pull one out and have the music stop.
What do they feel like as far as the weight compared to the last version?
They actually feel nice and balanced, and they feel like a solid quality product, quite frankly.
Yeah. Alright, so let's test this out going in. This is the left side, and this is what it looks like.
Actually, I can't hear you as well right now.
So how do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound?
Oh
testing,
man,
testing.
That noise canceling is significant. Alright, well, I need to get them paired up to my phone and give them a shot. You're supposed to just pop open the case.
Boom.
And then it asks you to connect. And bam, they're done. Media control. Press once on either AirPod to play pause. Noise control is on the tips. Control center.
Press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Cool. So announce message, have Siri read out messages without having to unlock your phone. You can set up that later. And they come charged at 79%. So now, did that feature just showed up on your phone?
That
wasn't there before, right?
No, the volume was there, but
it shows with
the iPods right now.
Yeah, so when the AirPods are there, your volume bar will be a little bit different. All right, so I can't even hear it with the mic, and your volume is up about halfway.
I can't understand what you're saying.
So you can't hear me at all then. So we did some more testing with the AirPods, and it does sound like, or it does look like, actually, when you take this out, the music will stop. But the Siri integration is pretty good, right?
Yeah, it works great. You can actually just say, hey Siri, turn the music down, and it works seamlessly. Hey Siri, play.
So just like that, Siri will play. And if you do get a phone call in, which we've already tested, the phone calls are very crystal clear pretty much. But if you do get a phone call in, the music will pause, or you can just tell Siri to pause it.
Hey Siri, pause the music.
Pause the music. So integrated very well with Siri and your iPhone. So here's one comparison. This isn't even the same thing because they're not even one of the first or second generation. This is a wired pair of earbuds, but obviously you can see the big difference because wasn't first and second generation looked very similar to this?
Closer.
So obviously you got the new rubber there to stick right in that ear.
Much bigger magnets, much fuller sound.
The length is also different as well. All right, so what do you think of these brand new AirPods Generation 3?
They're much better than the last ones. I'm looking forward to testing them out.
Yeah, pretty cool new product from Apple. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you so you could check them out. But so far have great sound and lots of reviews, and they were very hot, so good luck finding them. Anyway, check out the channel. Make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. And I hope this video helped, and I'll see you later.